All right, class, 5 minutes is up. We've discussed every answer except the last two. All right, 8 times 2, London, 16 is correct. Awesome. London stated that she put her stick figures down in two groups, and in the first group she put 8, in the second group she put 8. She checked her multiplication table to make sure 16 was the correct answer, and it lined up with how many stick figures she had down. Great job, London. All right, Sammy, you have the last question. 7 times 3. All right, thank you, Sammy. Sammy said he understood the multiplication problem. Then he stated that he thought about a plan, and what he decided to do was to use his multiplication table. Good job, Sammy. You had it. Why not use it? The teacher didn't say you couldn't, right? He said he put his plan into action, and he went to the 3 column, and he saw that 3 times 7 was what, Sammy? 21. Awesome. Now, Sammy, how do you explain how you back solved or used another problem solving method to make sure the correct answer was 21? Good job, Sammy. Sammy said he went to the box that had 7, and he saw that 7 times 3 was 21 also. Again, use your resources. If you had your multiplication table out, I'm sure you went through this in-class quiz with a breeze. Does anybody have any questions? Awesome. You guys done great. I thank you all for participating, and that we now have come to the end of our lessons today. So we're going to review. Features of a productive classroom. We went over that, correct? We figured out what a problem was. We talked about the 4-step problem solving process, and we talked about problem solving strategies. You guys done a great job today, and if you have any questions, please make sure you ask myself or our paraprofessional, Mrs. Giggins, who comes in and helps us every day with our math class. All right, we have 5 minutes before the bell rings. I am going to hand out 2 worksheets on multiplication problems that you will need to complete and turn in to me on Wednesday. Yes, you have homework. All right, times tables. Again, we're going to go through that, and I want you to take this timetable homework home and fill in the blanks. Use the resources that you have. Make sure you put your name on it. You want to get credit for your work. This next homework assignment, you're going to read each problem, and you're going to write out a statement that explains what the problem is, and the statement and the problem will help you come to a solution. And I need you to show your work so I will know that you understood how you arrived at your solution, and I want to make sure you understand how you arrived at your solution. Are there any questions? Good class. I'm glad we were able to discuss problem solving and managing the mathematics classroom.